Hey guys, I'm Victor. This video will show you how to replace the license plate lamp of Perodua Axia. Alright, let's unlock the car. Set up the camera to show you the original light in car. So I bought a pair of LED bulbs, T10 type, like this. Okay, let's start it. So at here, it has a clip to hold the housing. You just push it out and it will come right off. Alright, then unplug it. Wow, it's pretty tight. Okay, it comes out. Look at the housing. Okay, now take out the another one. The plug is like this. At here, you need to take lens out. Then you just push the lens toward this direction and take it out. Let's look closer. So the bolt is right here. Just pull it out. Look at the bolt. Wow, what a smoky look. I think it's burning. Okay, here is a new LED bolt. Push it in, but don't cap the lens. Very important. And test the bolt first. Cause we need to make sure the bolt is glowing. Turn on the light. Okay, it's not glowing. So unplug again, take out the bolt, then turn 180 degrees and plug it back. Test the light. Alright, it's bright now. Now you can put the lens back to the housing. Another one as well. Push the housing back to the rear bumper. Okay. Alright, let's compare the light. This is a before, after, before, after. Then we are done. This is my first English video in my channel. I hope you can enjoy and don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe my channel. I'm Victor Lao Kang and I will see you next time. Bye.